Hey guys, we're gonna go on a little nature walk here. Look for some stuff that you can find maybe in your backyard or along the road that you can eat. This here is a blackberry bush, and there's my puppy dog. You can hear my other puppy dog barking. But this is a blackberry bush. You can see the way the shape of the leaf is here. These are very prickly, so I'm definitely gonna probably get pricked by it a couple times if you're picking from it. It's early spring, so we don't see anything on the berry bush right now, but this is the blackberry. This is my favorite. My favorite is dandelions because you can eat the tops, you can eat the leaves here, and then you can even dig it out and you can eat the root. That's my favorite. Let's keep walking along here. You have to be careful because I see there's some poison oak over here, so definitely don't want to be eating anything near the poison oak. Gotta take care of that. Let's see what else we can find. One dog is crying. But if you have a backyard that has a wooded area, or if you have a country setting, you can probably do this on your own. This isn't something you would eat, but this is something you can weave into baskets. Although this isn't the time of year that you really want to be doing that. Too sappy for that. Just gonna keep going here. There's the apple trees. Too early for apples, but you can see that they are started there. Little baby apples. I'm not finding too much else that we can really look at. I know that there's more out here. I'm just trying to do a quick walk here. I know that there's raspberries up ahead. I'm going to show you the raspberries. Oh, here, this is one. This is not a raspberry. This is called purple dead nettle. This purple flower here, you can eat that. Nettles are edible. My dog keeps coming over every time I bend over. So here is a raspberry. This is one of our favorites. We have a lot of raspberries, and we didn't plant any of this stuff. The birds did, so of course it's too early for that to eat any of that. This is a mulberry. It's a very small mulberry plant, but these grow pretty tall, and they take turns kind of as far as fruit goes. So you don't always get fruit from your mulberry tree every year. You might get it from one of them, but then not another one, so it depends. Alright, I think we're going to wrap it up right there. There's some more purple dead nettle. You can see. And maybe another time we will look into recipes that we can cook these things up.